Hello, dear students. We will discuss about word problems involving radical equations. So what we have here are two word problems. Number one is this. Thrice the cube root of a number is the square of 25. Find the number. So muna siya ang first, and the second is the square root of the product of a number, and 6 is the cube root of 27. Find the number. So saan nato ni siya pag-solve? So let's try to solve number 1. I-attempt nato ni thrice the cube. Number 1 solution. Let us solve number 1. Problem number 1. So all we have to do is ato ning siyang convert into equations, kining word into mathematical equations or figures. So thrice, unsa may pasabutan na sa thrice? 3. Katuluon daw ang cube root sa number. Since wala tay value sa number, i-represent nato ning number as x. Let x be the number. Let x be the number. So, ang giingon diri is thrice the cube root of a number. Ang cube root daw na number sa number katuluon. So, kung i-kuha na to na siya sa mathematical equation, this is just the cube root. The cube root of, since ang ato ang number is x, the cube root of x. The cube root of x multiplied by 3 is equal to, kung makakuan ganin mo og makabasa ganin mo og is, like para sinani, root of a number is, pasabutan na equal na siya, pasabutan na equal sa square root daw sa 25. So ang cube root sa x, ang cube root sa number multiplied by 3 kay thrice man, is equal to the square root of 25 daw. So mao na ang imuhang equation, radical equation. So nanatay equation, i-simplify na lang nato ni para mapangita na nato, kay ang giingon man diri is find the number. Find the number. So pangitaon na to ang value sa x. So ato lang ni siyang i-simplify. The cube root of x times 3, this is just equal to 3. The cube root of x is equal to the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Tama? This is equal to the square root of 5 squared. Cancel ang radical symbol and ang square mabilin 5. So mao na siya. Then next, simplify na to siya further. So para makuha na to ang value sa x, dapat tanggalon na to ning 3 dire. So ang mahitabuan na is 3 the cube root of x is equal to 5. I-divide na to siya both side by 3 para matanggal ang 3. Therefore, this is equal to the cube root of x. The cube root of x is equal to 5 over 3. So unsa na to pagkuan, ang goal na to, ang value man sa x ang atong gipangita, dapat matanggal na to ning radical symbol. So ano pagtanggal ana? Ang atong buhaton is i-cube na to na siya, since cube root na siya, since ang radical is inverse na siya sa exponent, so ang atong buhaton ani is e raised to 3 nato ni siya. So the cube root of x raised to 3. Kung unsa tong buhaton sa diri sa left side, mapud atong buhaton sa right side. So ato ni siyang e raised to 3 pod. So ang mahitabo ani makancel ning square root ay ang cube root, cancel ang exponent, ang mabili na lang x. So i-simplify na to na siya. 5 over 3 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 3 over 3 raised to 3. Ano lang na pag-simplify. Therefore, x is 5 times 5 times 5 over 3 times 3 times 3. That is, the value of x is 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125 over 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So, ma-reduce pa ba natin na siya to lowest term? Dili na kay wala siya common. So, muna ang value sa x. So, how do we know that our answer is correct? Saan man ito pagkabalo? I-replace na ito ni siyang value sa x sa yung original na equation na ito na come up. Which is, sa itong original equation, balik ta sa original equation na checking niya. Check na to kung tama ba ang atong answer. Dapat mag-equal siya. Balik ta sa original equation na the cube root of x multiplied by 3 is equal to the square root of 25. So atong i-replace ang value sa x dire. Kining value sa x dire. So mahitabo is diri na to na ibutang ang 3 sa first kay para di ta malibog, no, equal ang gap na siya, is 3 times the cube root of x is equal to the square root of 25. Replace na to siya ang x, value sa x, that is 3 times the cube root of 125 over 27 is equal to the square root of 25. This is equal to 3 cube root of 25. This is equal to 5 raised to 3 cube over the cube root of 3 raised to 3. So, it's equal to square root of 25. Therefore, this is 3. Makancel na ni siya. Since pareho na siya, pareho ang mabilin kay 5 over 3. 5 over 3 is equal to square root of 25 is 5. Dayon ta sa pag-simplify, matanggal na ang 3. So may tabo para matanggal na ang 3. That is 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equals to 15 over 3 is equal to 5. Right? This is equal to 15 divided 3 is equal to 5. Equal to 5. Check. Equal sila. Therefore, tama ang value sa tuang x nga nakuha. So, mauna siya ang atong problem number 1. The value, find the value of the number is 125. This one 125 over 27. So number 2, we have the square root of the product of a number, and 6 is the cube root of 27. Find the number. So may pasabutan na the square root, erase na to niya. So let's solve problem number 2. The square root of the product of a number and 6. So the square root of, find the number, no? So let x be the number. So we find a number. So the square root daw of the product of a number. Product of a number means multiplication. Multiply number and 6. You have to multiply number, which is x, and 6. So 6x. The square root of the product of x and 6. That is square root of 6x. Is equal to the cube root of 27. Is equal to the cube root of 27. Find the number. So we have to find the number, meaning we have to solve for x. So we simplify this. Let's solve this one. This is equal to the square root of 6x. Simplify this, 27, the cube root of 27. This is just equal to 3 raised to 3, right? 3 raised to 3 is 27. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Therefore, ma-cancel na siya. Cancel. What is left is the square root of 6x is equal to 3. Correct? What is being asked is to find the value of x. So therefore, we have to remove this radical symbol. So how do we remove that one? Since this is square root, we have to raise this to 2. And we also do the same in the other side. So this is equal to 3 raised to 2. Therefore, this gets cancelled. So we have, what we have is 6x is equal to 3 raised to 2 is 9. Therefore, value of x is equal to 9 over 6. Or this is also equal to x is equal to 1.5. They are both correct.